Welcome to SigniFlow Academy, where we show you how to use our system to its full potential. So you'd like to learn more about Workflow Approver. Set up a workflow that requires the approval of a user in addition to your signature. Step 1 is to create a new workflow. Step 2 is to import the document you'd like to use. Step 3 is to click on Proceed. Step 4 is to add an action. I'm going to add myself as a signer. Step 5 is to add a approver. Step 6 is to go to Doc Prepper. Step 7 is to complete your workflow, meaning placing signature fields, releasing your document, and signing. Step 8 is to view the document. The individual chosen as the approver will receive an email similar to this one. Step 9 is to click on the Open Document button and then to log in. Step 10 is to read through the approver message and then to click on OK. Step 11 is to approve the document. Click on the Approve button in the navigation bar. That is how you use Workflow Approver. For more videos like this, please visit SigniFlow.com/academy. Our link will be provided in the description below.